fact, why don't I show it? This is your experience. It's been amazing to shower outside, and the water can go around as well. I mean, it's your grounds. Just make sure to use natural toiletry products. There you go. This has been one of the best parts of the experience. Waking up here, coming to this section barefoot, touching the lava rock, the stone, showering like this. And I like that they've even landscaped these outdoor showers. I love it. I'm obsessed. I highly recommend, if you have the opportunity, have some outdoor showers in your home. I promise you, you won't regret it. It's been lovely. The wind really picked up. I love the sound. The sound of the waves, palm trees, the wind. It is so immersive. I feel alive.